Hello, everyone. We have left behind one of the most dynamic market weeks of recent times, and there are very critical topics on the table that closely concern both the crypto world and global macroeconomics. Let's take a look at what this picture means piece by piece. Bond market and liquidity. The decline in U.S. 30-year bond yields and the Treasury's increased bond buybacks eased financial conditions, supporting the flow into Bitcoin and risk assets. Short squeeze. As the price rapidly surged from $64,000, billions of dollars worth of short positions were liquidated, which triggered and accelerated the rally. ETF inflows. The resumption of net inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs at the billion-dollar level showed that the rise is not just about leveraged trading, but that there are also real buyers in the market. Regulation steps. Clarity Act. Positive signals from Washington regarding the crypto market structure bill created expectations of reducing legal and technical uncertainties over altcoins. Record dollar term increase in Bitcoin. Bitcoin experienced the largest value increase in its history in dollar terms on a weekly basis, closing the week at around $77,387. Strong capital inflows to ETFs. While Bitcoin spot ETFs received $1.9 billion with the highest weekly net inflow of 2026, Ethereum funds also left behind their best week of the year with $697 million in net inflows. Jackson Hole Symposium. The speech on Friday by Kevin Warsh, attending for the first time in his capacity as Fed chair starting Thursday, will be the focal point of the markets regarding interest rate and bond policies. Important economic data. Personal consumption expenditures, PCE data, which is closely monitored by the Fed and will be announced in the U.S. on Wednesday, is awaited. Disclaimer: none of the information, comments, and analyses shared in this video and channel are investment advice, not within the scope of investment consultancy. This channel is not a brokerage firm, financial institution, or official organization. The content provided here is for informational and educational purposes only. Cryptocurrencies and financial markets carry a high degree of risk. You must always conduct your own research before making your own financial decisions.